Hi everyone, are you ready to unlock the 7 secret skills that can transform your life? Today, we are going to dive into 7 powerful skills that every teenager must know who are thinking to become rich. Whether you are 13 or 19, this video is for you because if you're going to learn and master these 7 skills, you are going to change your life. The first skill is communication. Whether it's about writing, reading, storytelling, or any other thing, this skill is gold mine to your success. Think about YouTubers like Ali Abdal, who has built his entire YouTube channel with clear and engaging content. So you can also master this skill. You can use AI tools like Grammarly, and for transcribing your thoughts, you can use Otter.ai. It will surely help you. For storytelling, you can join a debate club, or you can also start creating short videos where you can explain the concept you love. So by this, you can easily improve your communication skill and then you can earn money by doing it. Skill number 2 is video editing skill. In the era of YouTube, TikTok, Facebook and Instagram, if you know how to edit the videos, then it is a plus point for you because during this time, everyone wants to upload the content, but no one wants to really invest the time in editing. So if you're going to edit other people's videos, you can surely make money from it. You can also check the videos of Mr. Beast and other YouTube creators where they are using a high level of editing. So by using the high level of editing, they are making their videos to next level. So if you're having interest in editing the videos, you can choose this skill and you can learn this skill deeply. You can use tools like CapCut for mobile-friendly editing. You can also use Descript for AI-powered editing. By using this tool, you can save a lot of time. You can use one more tool, which is VN. So if you're very new in editing and you don't know anything about video editing, so you can start with VN application. It is very easy to use. You can start with a small step. You can make a blog and then you can edit that blog. So by doing this thing, you can easily master all the basics of video editing. Skill number 3 is coding skill. Tech is a future and coding is a language of innovation. You can check Ben Awad, who is master in coding. Because of coding, he has generated a huge wealth. So you cannot neglect coding. If you are interested in coding, you must go ahead. And with the help of freelance, startup and even building apps, you can earn money through coding. So it is a very powerful skill. If you are interested in coding, you must learn. This is a very great money-making skill. You must not neglect it. So if you don't know where to start, you can first try ChatGPT to brainstorm your ideas and then you can use Replit. You can use Replit to practice coding in your browser. It will surely help you. If you are new in coding, you must try Python. It is very versatile and easy language. Also, you can start making small projects. You can start making calculator by the help of Python language. Brands and businesses need eye-catching design and you can provide them. Check channels like Will Patterson. From there, you can get a great idea. You can use Canva for easy drag and drop design and Adobe Firefly for generating great ideas instantly. Start offering services in freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and then you can check your bank account and your skill grow efficiently. Skill number 5 is sales and negotiation skill. The skill can actually make or break your success. Think about entrepreneur like Gary, who has achieved a great success for this skill. So you can use Crystal Nose to analyze your client personality, and you can use Zoom Info to generate leads and opportunity. You can practice by selling something very small. It can be an old book or a handmade craft. By selling these things, you can automatically generate your skill. Skill number 6 is digital marketing skill. From social media ads to SEO, this skill is in great demand. So if you master this skill, you are going to earn a huge money. You can check Neil Patel, who has just started from a very small blog and now he has his own SEO tool. You can figure out that how much power this digital marketing skill have. If you master it, you can never imagine how much money you can make. You can start practicing this skill. You can start by a blog or you can start a theme Instagram page. For that, you can use Hootsuite to schedule your post and SEMrush to check your website performance and analytics. Skill number 7 is financial literacy. Earning money is not very big task, but how to manage it, it is very important. And it's like Financial Diet is a very good, perfect example of how to manage, save and invest your money. So don't forget to visit it if you really want to know and if you really want to learn financial literacy. You can also download financial tool like Mints, where you can track your saving and investing. So these are 7 important skills every teenager must know if you really want to achieve success in online field. So let me know in the comment which skill do you like the most. And Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in next video. Bye bye.